guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave. If you're a returning subscriber, so happy to have you guys back. And as you can see, we're in a different background, and this will be my film setup for a while now. But this gorgeous hair is from Yolissa Hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 26-inch body wave 13x6 HD lace frontal wig unit, and it is super duper thick, very nice and full. It came pre-styled, so pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-parted, and pre-curled. Every single thing was done for this wig. I did not have to lift a finger with anything on this wig other than to just lay it down, and so said, so done. I did use glue this time, and this glue that I've been using has been holding up really well in the humidity, so that's good. And the lace on this is absolutely stunning. What I will say is, now that it's not glueless, I will have to take it off to redo it, reapply it. But you can have the bands adjusted in the back. There are two sets of bands, so this wig is made to wear glueless, but I decided to use glue today. So if you decided after today or after this install you didn't want to do glue, this unit is definitely capable of being 100% glueless. I just decided, you know, I'm feeling glue vibes. But this 26 inches is nice and long, very true to length, especially with the curls. It gets right below to my belly button, so that's where it falls on me, and I'm 5'2". Right now I'm living for the curls. They've been in my head for about 30 minutes now. I've just been messing around with them, and I'm very surprised that the hair stayed like curled as is. So you can definitely tell the quality of Yolissa's wigs are up to par and have gotten better over the years. So I love that. I love a company that, you know, has growth, implements a lot of stuff to make the wigs more beginner friendly. But enough of me rambling. Definitely stick around to the end, and let's jump into today's tutorial. Hi babes, so your girl is back and this is the gorgeous wig unit, you guys. I glued her down. She's not going anywhere. I don't know if it's just the glue, but the adjustable straps in the back as well as the reinforced band plus the glue is making this wig not go anywhere, not budging, not moving at all. I am loving that. And this gorgeous wig is from Yolissa Hair. They sent me their 26-inch 13x6 HD lace frontal wig in body wave, and I'm living for it. Like, the waves are holding up very nicely. It's now been about 40 minutes since I've had the unit on and I've curled the hair. So 40 minutes since I've curled the hair and we are seeing nothing but curls. Still, it hasn't fall or fell into waves, so I'm very happy about that. Maybe this little piece, but this side was giving me problems to curl regardless. Like, you know how one side you could curl really well? This is the side I can curl really good, but this side, you know, I would have to go in and touch it up some way somehow. But honestly, I'm having no issues. I'm loving the fact that this hair is holding up. I am in a very humid state and I cannot believe that, you know, the lace is laying so well. The hair isn't frizzing. I love the quality of this hair. It's really nice and smooth, shiny if you must, luxurious hair going on. But I'm living for this style. It's pretty easy. It was pretty quick because this wig came pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-bleached, and all I had to do was install it and just finish up or tweak the styling here and there. I feel like if I had cut layers in this, it would have been more of a voluminous feel, but right now I'm getting that volume same way. But you know, like, if you cut layers, it does something totally different. Right now it's giving like mermaid beach curls. Where shedding is concerned, if I'm getting this much shed hair from a body wave wig that's this thick, imagine like it 6 months down the line. You're not gonna see that much of an issue, honey. This is definitely it. I can't believe I didn't have to do too much, so this made this install even easier. Perfect for beginners. If you were looking to try out a body wave wig, you don't have one clue how to curl, or you know how to do a little flexi rock curl, but when it comes onto the curling iron, you ain't really got it like that. This wig came pre-styled, so you'll be just fine. Don't forget to click the links in the description box and let me know if you have any other questions or concerns. Read the hair. It was nice talking to you guys and I loved styling this Yolissa wig. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.